Welcome to the playlist of business communication. In this session, I'm going to discuss what is business communication. What is the basic meaning of business communication? Yes, business communication is the process of sharing the information within and outside the organization to achieve business goals. Every organization, they have business goal ultimately to maximize the profit and business growth. To achieve this, communication plays most important role. It is a process of sharing the information within the organization as well as outside the organization. Okay. Now, tell me what are the different ways of communication which are applicable for the business. Yes, we have to consider verbal. So there are communication which is in the form of non-verbal. Then there are written communication and visual communication. So these are the basic type of communication which can be considered under business communication. Now, it also implies exchange the ideas. Okay, because we need to share the information. We need to mutually exchange the ideas because two companies, they are going to go for collaboration. They are going to exchange the ideas, then give the instructions. Also, it includes making the decisions. Also, conflicts, resolving the conflicts and problems, and build the relationship. These are all under business communication. Moving further, what are the purposes of business communication? I would like to have the purpose or what are the objectives of business communication. The main objectives of business communications are number one, to inform in the sense to share the important information within the employees, and share the information with the customers, or share the information with all the stakeholders in the sense those who are concerning with respect to policy makers, instructors, financial reports, etc. All are actually uh, comes under stakeholders. Pass the information with respect to all the stakeholders. That is the purpose of to inform. Another one is actually to persuade. To persuade in the sense to impact other to take actions or support the idea. Example, marketing messages and business proposals and presentations. Suppose I'm going to give a presentation in front of my client. I'm going to attract my client to get the product from my side so that business process will start. So they are going to purchase the product from my side. I'm going to convince them. Correct. Another one is actually called to request. Another purpose is to request. So ask the information to help to action. For example, requesting. Okay, to get the information of the previous data. I want the sales data from the year of 2010 to 2020. So that I want to request with the third party. Another one is actually to build relationship, strengthen the teamwork, and to solidize the trust, then engagement among the employees within the clients. These are actually helps to improve the relationship. Of course, business communication helps to improve the relationship. Another one is to support the decision making. So basically, that decision making will be done based on the data. To get the data, we have to request the data. Okay, data we have to collect to provide the accurate, timely, then informed decision. Managers and team makes the better business decision. To have the informed decision making, we need business communication. So another one is actually to represent the brand, to represent the brand in the sense communicate clearly and professionally to uphold the company's image and reputation, because brand is very important. So whenever an advertisement is coming based on the particular company, definitely they are going to communicate in the proper way because brand is very important. So brand name will definitely fetch so many number of business. Correct. That doesn't matter about how cost your product is. So these are the important topic which I discussed. What is business communication and what are the purposes of business communication? So if you have any queries related to this topic, I request you to communicate through comment box. I'm happy to answer. Also, I request you to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my channel. Happy learning. Have a great day. Wish you all the very best for your exams and